February 7, 2017. We've had 7 inches of rain in the last 2 days and lots of snow melt. Down here at the culvert under our driveway, you can see that our culvert is now limiting the entire flow of Love Creek downstream, completely at capacity. If we get any more, we're going to come up and over the driveway. You can see the water coming under the culvert on our road is astounding. This is the water coming down the drainage ditch for Love Creek Road. You can see it's spilling over the road. Overflow Love Creek Road at the base of John's driveway. It's gushing into the pasture. It's now broken through the dam that I put here and flooding the pasture, threatening to go in the door all the way around the shed. So I've come here and I've dug a trench for the water to flow into this settling pond. Down here at the stables, I just had to clear the culvert on this side of the road all the way up to John Cochran's because all that water was blocked and coming over the road and down the stable's driveway and flooding out the foundation of the stables. So what I had to do here was take and build a trench from the yard of the stables all the way down into the culvert. So I'm gonna drop this over. I think we got it. See if we can lift it out with a backhoe. This little spring, well, big spring, has opened up and is chewing through our road and gonna undercut the driveway. I don't know if you can see this or hear me over the tractor, but I'm just running the tractor and scraping along the ground, and you can see I'm just dragging that creek course behind me. I'm finishing up rerouting the spring. I've dragged it down the hill here, kind of a natural water course, and it looks like we've got almost all of it from that spring and from that spring now running down to the creek. Hardly any water on our